Very, very quick before we get this video started, guys, real quick, two announcements. First one, the next video after this one is going to drop at a very odd time. It is going to drop Sunday at 11 p.m. at night. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for that. Make sure you guys set your alarm clock, stay up. I know work's the next day, but it's gonna be okay. Sunday at 11 p.m. or make sure you catch it first thing Monday, the next video after this one. Last but not least, Wrenchworks giveaway number 17, our blue 3rd gen, our blue matching Diamond C trailer, and the 10 grand ends this Monday as well. So you got probably less than 48 hours to go. 2 days left to get entered to win this bad boy. Don't miss out. Giveaway ends the end of this upcoming Monday on the 18th. What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. We have got something crazy happening in today's video, something that has never happened before. As most of you guys know, all of the trucks that we build for the Wrenchworks giveaways, actually our current giveaway, by the way, shameless plug of the video, we have less than 3 days left for you to get entered to win this current Wrenchworks giveaway truck and trailer, plus the 10 grand that it comes with. Ends this upcoming Monday, the 18th. So do not wait any longer, because I know you guys wait, but this giveaway ends. But in this video, something that's never happened before is a previous winner of one of the giveaway trucks sent us a message. And it is a truck that I remember specifically telling Randy from Wrenchworks giveaway number 9, I'm like, if you ever decide that you need to move on from the truck, or you're not really interested in the truck anymore, or you need to do something different or something, let me know, because I would love to have this truck back.
There's only one stipulation with pulling out of the driveway, is if you ever decide that it's not the truck for you anymore, you have to at least let me have first right of refusal to get it back.
So we're actually almost 2 years from the date in 22 when Randy from Virginia won and took possession of Wrenchworks giveaway number 9, which was Andy's, my youngest brother's, single cab 4th gen G56 truck that we built and we gave away, and you guys absolutely loved that giveaway. And I love the truck and everything about it. And Randy hit me up and was like, hey man, I bought a crew cab. I needed a little bit more space. I believe that he actually traded his other Diamond C trailer in on a different Diamond C trailer. Again, just kind of suiting his needs as time goes on. But I was like, absolutely, I would love to have that truck back. Don't ask me what I'm gonna do with it, because I don't have a clue, but I was like, you know what? I love this truck. I was gonna say, almost, it's the postman. He's supposed to be pulling up any second here. I'm super pumped to see it, super pumped to kind of like get the aftermath, right? We're 2 years after a giveaway winner won a truck, how it maybe changed their life and what they're doing and what they did with it and all that stuff. So I'm super excited to kind of see Randy 2 years later and kind of where he's at and kind of get the story, but that truck is coming home. But yeah, anyway, guys, super excited. Again, this has never happened. It's crazy. But if you guys haven't entered the latest giveaway, highly suggest you do so. Go to wrenchworks.com. Anything that you buy on the website gets you automatically entered. Probably just like Randy will tell you, he never thought that it could be him, but he took a chance. He grabbed a t-shirt, a hoodie, something. I mean, it could be a gift card. It doesn't matter. Anything you buy on there, it's 20 times entries as well. So you got 20 times the chance. So get entered. One of you guys is gonna be taking this bad Larry home here pretty soon. So anyway, we're gonna wait for Randy out here in the driveway, see if we can pull in. I have not seen, I believe, his new truck. So let's see. I'm excited to see the truck. There he is. There he is. Look at that beast. Oh yeah. We got a sunroof on the new one. There she is. Look at the old gal. Oh yeah. Randy, brother, you're back and she's back. Do you have flip-flops on? I was gonna tell you taking bets if you have flip-flops on. My man. How are you, man?
Not too bad.
It's kind of funny because it's been what, almost 2 years.
2 years.
2 years, almost like to the date.
Made it to January.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. Got the new rig.
Yep.
New rig's even got a sunroof.
Yep.
And you got a new trailer.
Yeah. Needed something a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
So.
That's awesome.
But now I miss having a gooseneck. So I told the wife. She told me I had to come home with an empty trailer.
Oh yeah.
But she didn't say I had to come home with the same trailer.
Same trailer. Yeah, I was gonna say.
So
you know.
I was kind of looking. Since I'm already out this far.
Empty trailer's dangerous, you know. And that is awesome. It's kind of funny. I was like, man, I was telling the internet, I don't think we've ever had like a winner come back or like, you know, just.
I was going to ask you. It's like, am I the first?
Yeah. We never. Everyone leaves and they enjoy them, but we never really hear anything back, and it's just kind of, you know, interesting to have one of the babies come back, but also kind of hear your story and, you know, how you've loved it, how you've used it. 2 years, you know.
2 years, I loved it. It's a great tow rig. It's a great daily driver. You know, I've never had a problem with it, so I can't complain. But unfortunately, bigger truck.
Yeah.
And I can't afford to keep both trucks.
Yeah.
So something had to go.
Yeah, that's awesome. So this is the new rig. Just added a few more doors.
Yeah, added a few more doors because we have we adopted another puppy. So when it was just me, her, and my small dog.
Yeah.
That worked perfectly fine. But now having a bigger dog, we needed a space.
Yeah, needed some space. I see the new rig's got a sunroof and everything, huh?
Yep. Plus it's automatic, so the wife can drive it.
Oh, there you go.
She loves driving it.
That's awesome.
She won't go with it, but she loves it.
That is awesome, man.
So.
That's so cool to hear. Yeah. That's awesome.
I'm sad. It was a tough choice.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that much. If I had my way, if I could figure out some way to keep it, I would.
So you're still doing all the off-roading stuff and all that stuff? That's awesome.
Still doing all the off-roading. My 4Runner's all in. I don't think there's a straight panel except for the hood right now.
So do you use the truck to do a lot of that stuff, right?
Yeah, it's the tow rig to get the 4Runner out to the parks, to trails and stuff like that, and then we also use it because we borrow RVs sometimes.
Okay.
So it got used.
That's awesome. That is super cool.
So,
that is awesome, man.
You know, but mine at 37, so I got 37.
I was gonna say you got to switch the wheels and tires up on her.
Yeah, to be honest with you, the only reason instead of putting 37s on those wheels, you can see all of the paint chips. I don't know how you guys deal with all the paint chips.
Yeah, it's a battle, you know.
You know, on a white truck, it's not as bad, but on a black truck, every time I washed out, I found new chips.
Yeah, it's definitely a struggle.
So
that's awesome, man. She looks great.
Yeah.
And you said what, you put 20,000 miles on it?
Not even that.
Not even?
I think like 16,000 miles total.
Yeah.
So.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's a little dirty.
Oh, that's all right.
But
it's black. Don't cry. If you cry, it's all right. We won't put your crying on camera, Randy.
I was gonna say. Can we edit that out? Like when I loaded it up, I was like, this is gonna be the last drive up onto the trailer.
Yep.
So.
All right. Well, I'll back her down, seeing that you've already said your goodbye.
I may drive off with it. I mean, the other trucks here may just swap that out. So I did swap out the rear taillights.
Yeah, I saw the other one sitting there because when you sent me the pictures, I was like, I mean, you know, I know certain states and you know all that stuff.
Yeah, I got
like,
pulled over one time by
okay.
local cop about saying it. They were a little too dark, but that's pretty much it.
And then I think I feel like I know exactly what you were talking about because I think we just ended up doing it to my dually, but basically it's the ABS module, right? That needs.
Yeah, it's like, you know, that hydraulic unit where all the brake lines go into.
Yeah.
There's a motor.
Yeah.
That motor needs to be
because it what does it do? Like it basically Christmas trees stuff, doesn't it? Like,
yeah. The two lights was it on when you got in the truck?
I don't know because I was taking out a 4-wheel drive. I think so, but
so there's you lose cruise control.
Yeah.
And then it just dings every time that brush motor gets stuck. So I've lived with it for 6 months because I was actually going to try to order the whole unit.
Okay.
And you know, the local dealers and some places said they were on back order or something. And then I read something about 3 months ago that some people have taken the motor apart, cleaned the brushes or sand them down a little, or just got a whole new motor.
Yeah.
And the guy I bought that truck from, that has 110,000 miles, he said, I think he told me he's done it twice already.
Really? Is that an 18?
Yeah.
It's an 18 thing, too.
Yeah.
Like, because the dually was an 18, and we did it to it, and I know this is an 18, so as soon as you told me that, I was like, it's kind of funny, because I have one sitting on the shelf, because I had two.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we'll do that. But.
So, other than that, that's the only issue.
Yep, appreciate it very much, man.
Thank you. I enjoyed her. And like I said, I opened up a lot of opportunities, so I'm just very grateful that I did win her. And
I'm not even sure how I feel right now. This is about opposite about what usually happens. So I'm just like they usually don't come back. You never really see them. But oh man, Randy's new beast is a Aisin transmission, 3500. It's already got kings and everything on it, full turned out. It's a unit. It's a crawler hauler. Bye, Randy. Well, there it goes. Randy was awesome enough to offer. He's like, I need to get out of the house. You know, I'll bring it to you if you want. I'm just like, man, we are so busy that I was like, yes, you can absolutely bring it here. That would be amazing. So huge thanks to Randy for bringing a baby back. Honestly, I mean, like Dawson's gonna hopefully try and find that clip. But you know, I told Randy, I was like, man, if you ever decide that this is not the one for you anymore, and again, I don't know if we caught the clip, but it's really just for space. He needed a back seat, so he does still do all the off-roading, all the wheeling. Got himself a different trailer to kind of suit his needs a little bit better. But as far as this thing goes, man, it looks exactly like how it left, minus a couple little things. The tail lights, again, not everyone is willing to risk it for the biscuit on some of the darkness of things. So, but Dawson's really having a moment here. Dawson's regretting buying his Ford. All she needs is a little cleanup job, and man, there she is. Just how we left it, man.
I miss it.
Well, it's here now, so. Honestly, didn't think that would ever be a possibility or happen again. Honestly, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put the black taillights back in it, and I have a different set of black wheels sitting over here just kind of in the corner that we're going to pull out and pull these stocks and 37s off. Again, I do like this look, but I will say something a little bit wider in the stance department definitely has always caught my eye, and that's not everyone's cup of tea, but we're going to pull these bad Larrys off and put it back down on some wider, smaller tires. But other than that, we've actually, this is a day or two later, I've actually been driving the truck around just on a couple different errands, and I was like, man, this is just as perfect as I remember it when we had it. It's such a fun, just a fun truck to rip around. I'm speechless because it just brings a smile to my face every time that I've driven this truck. I've always loved this dang truck. So happy to see it back again. What we're gonna do with it, don't even ask me. I have no idea. But this is. Honestly, it's a pretty rare truck to come by. 3500 configuration as well. Again, we do have a exact twin to this truck, if you guys do remember, but it is a 2500. Also, it is a little bit more optioned than the other truck that we have, I believe, because it has the factory, has the factory gooseneck package, the hitch, all that stuff, and the factory bed lighting. My other truck does not have that. Again, that is not the end of the world. You can add that stuff, but as far as this truck being factory optioned, this is a 3500 and it has a few more options. And this truck already does have the big screen, which we installed. These insanely comfortable leather seats. It's kind of funny because Randy even said it himself. He's like, where did you guys get these seats? Because my new truck, the seats are not as comfortable. So the seats that we installed in this thing from Cam are not only just like covers. They're not just the covers. They're different cushions, and I can attest to the same thing that Randy said. They are more comfortable than any factory seat that I have ever sat in. So we went ahead and put black in this whole entire thing, put carpet in it. Man, this is just such a cool, unique truck. Again, on the Kings, all the engine work, stuff like that. So let's go ahead, let's swap these wheels and tires out, maybe give it a wash. But the only other thing that it does need that we're gonna go ahead and do is they call it HCU, so it's a hydraulic control unit. 2018s are very, very known for it for whatever reason. In 18, it's part of the ABS system. The traction control light comes on, I believe, whatever. I can't remember the other light that comes on. You lose cruise control, it starts dinging the dash. Super, super annoying. But we do have one of those, and I'll probably end up fixing that here very, very soon as well on it. And other than that, it's okay. Ready. Besides it being extremely dirty, and even the wheels that we just put on are extremely filthy, but there it is. Hate me if you want, all black. If it's not black, it's just whack. It looks so much better on black wheels, especially with all the gold. You guys know how I like it. But that is pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. Again, never thought that I would see this truck be back in this garage, but here it is. Again, we'll keep you guys posted. That's pretty much gonna wrap it up. But if you guys haven't already gotten entered, what are you waiting for? This is it. Time is running out. Probably less than 48 hours left for you to get entered into the 3rd Gen giveaway, Wrenchworks giveaway number 17, ending this Monday. Make sure you guys are staying tuned because we're dropping some big news Monday, so stay tuned for that. Love you guys, appreciate you guys. As always, we'll see you guys in the next video very, very soon. I forgot, we need to swap those, but we'll do that. That's gonna wrap it up. We have got lots of other things happening. So appreciate you guys, we'll see you in the next video. See you.